If you're trying to clean up your inbox and manage spam messages on the Yahoo Mail app, this video will walk you through it step by step in a quick and simple way. Spam emails can clutter your inbox, hide important messages, and make it harder to stay organized, so knowing how to handle them properly is really useful. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open spam messages, check whether they're safe, and move the ones you want back into your inbox. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the spam folder and tap it. This is where Yahoo Mail stores emails that it thinks are unwanted or suspicious. Inside the spam folder, you can review the messages that were filtered out. Now, open any spam email that you want to check. Before doing anything else, make sure you quickly read the message and confirm that it's actually safe and should not be marked as spam. If the email is legitimate, you'll see an option that says Not Spam. Tap Not Spam to move that message out of the spam folder and back into your inbox. This is helpful if Yahoo Mail accidentally flagged an important email from a person, company, or service you trust. Once you tap Not Spam, the email will be restored so you can access it normally again. If you have more messages like this, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just open the email, review it carefully, and use the Not Spam option whenever needed. Managing spam this way helps keep your inbox cleaner and make sure you don't miss anything important. It also teaches Yahoo Mail what kinds of emails you want to receive, which can help improve filtering over time. If you're also dealing with unwanted emails that keep coming back, you may want to mark them as spam so they go straight into this folder in the future. But for messages that are safe, the Not Spam option is the key step. So to recap, open the Yahoo Mail app, tap Spam, open the message, and tap Not Spam if it's safe. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to manage spam messages on the Yahoo Mail app quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple guides.